Find me do my two-step.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will make brinjal fried with basil and pork. Cut the brinjal and put it on salt water. It will not turn your brinjal to black. Garlic, and some chilies. Get a pan, put some oil, after the pan got hot, you put your brinjal, remember we will only mid cook the brinjal, so remember not to overcook it. After that, you take the brinjal out, so you cook from leftover oil and put your chili and garlic, and you mix it well. Fry it till garlic turn brown. Then you put some pork minced, and fry it well. After that, you can add some soya bean paste and oyster sauce and some fish sauce, and then some sugar, little sugar according to your taste, and then you put your brinjal and you fry it till the brinjal cook well. So this menu is very delicious and very easy to make. Every people must know how to cook this menu. After you mix well and cook the brinjal, you put the basil leaves at the end, so it will look great and it will give you a very delicious taste. So this is my first cooking video, and please like and share and comment on my videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. So guys, it is ready now. Our brinjal in basil and pork minced. It's look very delicious. Thank you.